Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how to download and use the Google Keep extension in your PC or the Chrome browser. So first you have to go to Windows search and type the web store and search for it, and you will see the first website of Chrome web store. So you can just open this first website and click on this search box you are seeing on the top and just type the Google Keep. So once you type it, just hit the enter and you will see the first extension of Google Keep. So you can just open this extension and you will see this has the 7.8k total ratings, which is the good. Click on the add to Chrome and click on the add extension. So once you click on it, it will start downloading into your PC and also it will install automatically. So now you have to just little wait for it until it was completely installed. Click on this extension icon and just pin this extension into your Chrome browser. So once you pin it, you will see the icon like this. So you can just click on that and it will interface like this. So I can show you how you can use this extension. So you can go to the page where you want to create a note. So here, if I click on it here, you can also take a note or copy and paste note from any website, and you can also save it from your Google Keep. So here, if you select the text here in your any website, and if you want to save this text, right click on it and you will see the option to save as to keep. Just click on that and here you will see it is save to your node, and here you can also add label and click on the create node. So when you click on that, it node was saved into your Google Keep, and if you go to the your Google Keep and you will see this text and this note was saved to your Google Keep, and you can also click on the link to go to the website where you can save this note. You can also save the links and notes. So guys, this is how you can use this extension. So if this guide is helpful for you, so please like it. Also subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.